Hi, this is Ritika Sengupta. Today I will describe the story of nature which I have written from my own. So guys, I am starting now. Message to all people living in this earth about nature and wildlife, animals, birds, etc. Nature. Nature is the most beautiful and the biggest blessings gifted by God to us. Our earth is beautiful because of the beauty of nature. Long evergreen trees, beautiful flowers and plants decorates the every surroundings of the earth. Earth is the only planet where nature is found. Waterfalls, where nature, beautiful landscapes are found, greeneries are found, etc. Wonderful, unbelievable, mind blowing, attractive, enjoyable, calmness, all these feelings, things only we found by seeing the beauty of nature. Please subscribe, comment, like if you really liked it. So, without mother, a child have many problems, difficult to live, not get pure and true love from her mother. Like that, only our nature is our mother in the earth. Without her, we cannot survive because of her only we are still surviving and life is going on and on day by day. She not only provide us each and everything without what we need, but also many more things. We get fresh air, water, blooming flowers, lot of lands, forest with full of greeneries, different kinds of fruits, vegetables, wood, etc. See, nature is just not only the mother of human beings, but also she is the mother of our innocent, pure, loving, true hearted animals, birds, etc. because they take birth in the lap of our mother nature, but they are the true children to our nature than of us, because they do not cause any harm to our mother nature, whereas we people, we humans cause harm to our mother nature by deforestation, cutting down of various trees, cutting down the lots of forests, taking away the land for our own purpose. But in the case of animals, we see that they enjoy the nature, they love our mother nature, they care, they protect the nature. Same, mother nature also returns back the true love to them by providing shelter, food, etc. They know the meaning of love towards mother nature. They also know how to bloom in the love of mother nature and enjoy themselves in the love. Animals, birds, etc. teach humans the meaning of love, trust towards them and their beautiful mother nature. They understand the meaning of pure love. They know the language of pure love towards our mother nature, but we humans don't understand it and don't even try to understand. Only few people understand the meaning of love towards the beautiful mother nature and innocent birds and animals. Moral: living with nature, animals, birds gives a person peace, calmness, stress-free mind, self-control and patience, and also helps to become a kind and honest person. Thank you. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends